What is Trees for Survival? Trees for Survival is an environmental education program that teaches students how to grow native trees
and how to plant them to restore natural habitats.
It's a practical program. Students learn by growing and planting trees of their own.
We develop a knowledge of New Zealand plants, an understanding of soil erosion and an insight into natural New Zealand habitats.
The outcomes of less erosion is less sediment in our streams and harbours, an increase in our biodiversity of flora and fauna, and a huge improvement of our water quality.
Trees for Survival works in conjunction with schools.
Our schools provide a home for a plant growing unit, often with the help of a sponsor.
We receive the native seedlings in early spring and learn how to grow them to a suitable size for planting out the following winter or autumn.
Trees for Survival started over 25 years ago, with thanks to Rotary.
And we've planted over 1.5 million trees so far.
Trees for Survival reinforces the bond between a school and its local community.
To ensure a better future for our young plants and a better future for us.
Trees for Survival is a fantastic programme.
It's a really awesome program.